Sanjay Sales is a complete solution provider to the fabricators with all types of welding and cutting related products, from raw material stage to finishing stage. Established in the year 1981, Sanjay Sales has emerged as a trusted name in distribution, export, and import of superior quality welding consumables, IGBT types inverter-based modern technology equipments and welding accessories for various cutting processes. We cater with air plasma cutting equipment, gas cutting equipment, CNC oxy-fuel and plasma cutting equipment. Cutting accessories. We provide gas cutting torch, cutting machine, all type of regulators, flashback arresters, cutting hose, beveling process, including portable plate beveling equipment. Drilling process. We supply with magnetic drilling machine, annular cutters. Welding processes. SMAW, shielded metal arc welding. We cater with inverter-based welding equipment, mild steel electrodes, carbon steel electrodes, low alloy high tensile electrodes, stainless steel electrodes, cast iron electrodes, cutting and gouging electrodes, low heat input electrodes, hard facing electrodes, nickel and cobalt alloys electrodes. FCAW, flux cord arc welding. We supply with FCAW equipment, carbon steel flux cord wires, low alloy high tensile flux cord wires, stainless steel flux cord wires, hard facing flux cord wires. GTAW, gas tungsten arc welding, and GMAW, gas metal arc welding. We provide inverter-based TIG, MIG, MAG welding equipments, carbon steel TIG, MIG wires, stainless steel TIG, MIG wires, low alloy high tensile TIG, MIG wires, metal cord wires, aluminum bronze TIG, MIG wires, non-purging stainless steel TIG wires. SAW, submerged arc welding, including inverter-based SAW, strip cladding, tandem, twin wire welding equipment, mild steel, carbon steel, and stainless steel wires, mild steel, carbon steel, and stainless steel fluxes. Automations. We cater with column and boom, welding rotators, welding positioners, turntable, mini welding carriages, and many more automations as per customer requirements. Grinding and finishing tools. We supply with power tools, grinding, cutting, and finishing wheels, welding safety products and accessories. We are associated with world-renowned product manufacturers. Our products has applications across domains including steel, MS, pipe fabrication, shipyards, penstock, foundries, refineries, chemical industries, steel plants, power plants, etc., and are widely appreciated for the rigid construction, sturdiness, smooth operation, high efficiency, lower maintenance, longer durability, and ease of operation. With a supportive team of young professionals having a rich domain expertise and experience, providing 24/7 assistance to our esteemed customers at various cities across India. We are committed to cater across industries and enterprises pan-India by taking care of each of our customers by availing them the benefit of reputed and reliable suppliers. Sanjay Sales, a complete solution provider of all types of welding and cutting related products.